In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Screen Lock and Always on Display. Then click on Screen Lock type at the top and select one of those login methods by clicking on the best one: PIN, password or pattern. Following that, you need to create it. Choose Continue at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. Then select Confirm. Over here you can manage all of your lock screen notifications or switch them on or off thanks to this switcher at the top. When you finished, hit Done. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!